beautiful lava fams, and welcome to Fresh from LA. Kicking it here with Sisa Grey.
Okay, we need a little privacy.
That's strictly against protocol.
Can we at least shut the door?
Now.
It's a gift for the boy and you.
Mr. Cooper, we can't accept gifts from patients.
And here's some of the freshness coming at you today.
There's no words for how amazing that guy is. It's like a unicorn.
And though he reaches for the stars, his feet are firmly grounded.
So LA is a happening place full of poly peeps, always bringing the island vibes to the West Coast. Let's check out who's dropping the mic here at Island Vibes in sunny California.
Island Vibes, man, I feel like is us. It's a soul, you know what I mean? It's like, I think it's the energy, it's the motto that we actually put out there, and the Island Vibes tour, that kind of embodies that whole thing.
Hey, it's Uncle Louie, Common Kings, out here supporting Brother Feej, Oregon Heritage, Maoli, Nomad, our sister Analea Brown. I'm here as a fan. That's what I'm doing. Fanning, girling out.
We're in the beautiful city of Anaheim, the House of Blues, man, Live Nation. This is where the heart of our folks here in the United States.
You bring good music out, that's when we come out.
It's good, like you said, it's really one of those things that you don't really see sort of a concentration of our peoples. And so with shows like this, that's where you can kind of see all the beautiful people that come out. You know what? I think it's important because, especially in a place like Los Angeles, even Hollywood, there's such a lack of representation for our peoples. There's really not a platform or a space for it. And so within these past few years with, you know, people like J Bug and Common Kings, even Feej, you know, Sammy J, they've been able to kind of break down those walls, you know what I mean, for a lot of our artists to actually perform on these bigger stages. My all-time favorite would be Feej.
It's great seeing Fiji live for the first time in my life, man. For the first time in my life.
As many times as I've actually seen him perform, there's always classic moments that I actually kind of feel and see through his performance.
That's off my bucket list right there. That's something that crossed off my bucket list. My childhood.
There's no words for how amazing that guy is. It's ridiculous, really. It's like a unicorn. Fijian unicorn. You heard it first, Uncle Louie. Keep it fresh, right here.
Keep it fresh!
So you know all those killer moves that you see in the movies? And you're like, dang! But you know those famous people aren't doing it. But the Uso Sala Baker is fresh out the box.
Basically beat up all of Hollywood the last 20 years. Ryan Reynolds, Russell Crowe, Denzel Washington, Jennifer Garner. Bro, there's so many I can't even remember.
That's what I'm talking about.
I've been in the industry for 19 years. Started in New Zealand, did Lord of the Rings. I am the Dark Lord Sauron. And then I ended up doing some production stuff on Last Samurai, Lion, Witch, and the Wardrobe. and then ended up coming over to the States. Then did Pirates of the Caribbean 2, 3, and 4, and then just hustled my way through America. I get to do a lot of fun things like that, and then fight Denzel Washington in the Book of Eli, and The Equalizer. It's not often that you get to work with Denzel Washington twice. I go 120%, and that's kind of why I think I get hired a lot, because I go pretty crazy and full on. Just makes it look more real. Looking like me here, I stand out because I'm lucky enough to have this island skin, which has helped me be able to like not get put in certain boxes. You and I can look like every ethnicity on the planet here. So we're in Venice Beach, and I've been here for about a year. I always wanted to move closer to the beach because I lived in Wellington, so I was like, started in Hollywood and slowly made my way out to the beach. So it's more like a community like New Zealand where you can walk around and bike everywhere. And so that's why I love it. So I love golf heaps. So I came here and I started playing with some pretty good golfers, like decent golfers. And I was like, oh, you fellas are way back there. Interesting. Started playing really good golfers and realizing that I actually could be pretty decent. So I decided to get fitted for professional clubs, and I'm gonna basically start playing some competitions. I wanna play more competitions, but I also wanna get more Polynesians into golf. So I wanna build a driving range that has a schooling program after 3 o'clock, so that kids can come in and learn golf. They can spend half an hour picking up golf balls, half an hour in the garden, then half an hour in the cafe, farm to table. Then they can do their homework there for free, and the parents know where they are.
In case you were wondering, yeah, I do my own stunts. Stay right where you are, freshies. We've got some goodness coming right up at you.
There are no borders, no cultures, and no vests that can keep him down.
Hoodia. Don't you reckon Hoodia's doing amazingly well right now?
Not bad. I mean, hey, who do you know?
Who do you talk to?
Well, who do you see?
Well, who do you in the Blowfish?
Well, who do you go with?
Who do you think you are?
Who do you know? Who do you feel? Who do you know? Hey, we're from the hoodie.
Hoodie everywhere.
Hoodie outrageous. Hoodie outrageous.
Welcome back, freshies.
I'm gonna keep it real with you.
I am Sisa Grey, and welcome to my world.
We are Samoan, people from the sun.
The freshest member in my family will definitely have to be Dad. I mean, gosh, he's from Upolu. Just plays his guitar everywhere. He's in everybody's house playing something, you know.
Teach the world humanity.
I do have a creative family, now that I think of it. My sister Julie, she's a singer. My brother Teeny, he is a musician. Sisa Grey, water boy for Common Kings. I'm kidding, guitarist for Common Kings. Dad, of course, is very talented. I don't need to talk about Dad. Mom, she's actually a painter. Were you a pilot? My son loves watching airplanes. Some of the things have been Days of Our Lives. That was a special moment for me because we used to watch that all the time in Upolu when Mom and Dad were asleep. Turn the TV on quietly.
All right, let's turn. Hey!
sudden moves.
That wasn't a sudden move.
Grey's Anatomy was a big one for me because I got to work with such an amazing woman cast.
Okay, we need a little privacy.
That's strictly against protocol.
Can we at least shut the door?
Now.
Hawaii Five-0, of course. That was a good one. That was my first one. It was going back home to Hawaii. I say home because Hawaii is a big part of my life. I did The Descendants with George Clooney. I would say that was my first big starstruck moment, but wasn't starstruck. I keep it professional. How do I deal with my cultural, or too low, or respect, you know? At first, when I used to start, I used to walk into the audition room, too low, too low. And then I had to understand that, okay, I have to put aside culture and work. So I had to separate the two. So from then on, I just felt myself growing as an artist and removing the Samoan. But it's always in my heart. You can't get rid of the Samoan. But I had to just step aside for the respectful part and be this thing, and then come back to being myself and the respectful side. I have four children, and they changed my life big time. It keeps me grounded. I think if I did not have the children, I don't know where my mind would be and my type of lifestyle, the lifestyle I would have lived. My son's in a middle school play. He auditioned for it and never told me anything about it, so he got this part, didn't know it was the lead. So we're about to go watch him perform in this amazing play called Music Man Jr.
Now, I knew all you folks are the right kind of parents. I'm gonna be perfectly frank.
I was so proud today. It was definitely a proud moment because my son is not the actor. He's not any of that. I mean, I ask him at home, honey, how was your day? Good. Honey, hey, how was rehearsals? Good. That's as much as I got, so today was really, really something special. Family is everything. I don't think a poly can not say that. I think every poly would say family is everything.
When things go wrong and the wheels fall off, one man has the know-how and the will to succeed. He had the looks, he had the gadgets, but time was running out. There are no borders, no cultures, and no vests that can keep him down. It takes a man with vision, athleticism, grace. Did I say grace? And diabetes. Where you see sticks, he sees a projectile weapon. And though he reaches for the stars, his feet are firmly grounded. Nuafinau is Magaya. Rated R.
Don't go anywhere, Fresh family. We got a whole lot of freshness coming back at ya. Freaking fresh.
T-O-W, you know, like for towel. And R-A-N-G-H-E-R, you know, like as in a ringer.
Waru. Did you see that guy? He is so hot. His name's Waru.
Waru, yeah. What do you like?
What do you mean?
Well, what do you know?
What are you eating?
Well, what do you see? What do you feel? What are you about? What are we out?
Welcome back to Fresh. My fresh tip is, if you're in need of a floss, look no further. grab your hair, find the strongest part, which is always at the back of the head, above the neck, and then just use that bad boy. That's your fresh tip.
We are going to show you how to go foul. Translation, how to hide food. Do you have those days where you don't get invited to your cousin's wedding, but you show up anyway? Step 1, look for an empty chair. Make sure no one's looking. Pull out your bag like a super ninja warrior. Put the bag under the table where it's unseenable. You have an observation of what is on the table. There's the ota, Sala Baker, there's the lo'i hosi, there's the lusipi, but your eyes is on the prize, which is the lo'i puaka. You got your eyes on the prize. Pretend you're reaching for the lusipi, but you're detouring around to the lo'i puaka, which is the pig head. Now pack it away. Now pack it away. Now pack it away. Now hide it away. Sit back, relax, loosen your seatbelt. Now rise. Look outside with interest. Pretend someone is calling you. Hey! Yeah, I'm coming. And that's how you go foul.
Take the next left, bro.
I ain't even never heard of this place before.
Solly, this is the same way. You're sending us in circles, Errol. Hey, what up? This guy over there.
Hiya. Hey, mate. Hey, mate, how are you?
Oh, hey, guys, you wouldn't know how to get pram, would you?
Sorry, where?
Pram.
Like pram is in a child's walking machine?
No, it's in pram. Paramu. My phone doesn't seem to recognise in pram when I use the voice thing. Pram.
I don't understand.
Pram.
My apologies.
Pram.
I don't understand.
Right, try Parapara Umu. Yeah, it's up the Kapiti Coast, bro. Up the other way. Hey, you can tell us how to get to where we going, bro?
Yeah, thanks, mate.
Good thanks.
Cheers, mate.
Where'd it go?
Pram? Hey, how do you even get that from Parapara Umu?
Hard.
Well, guess we'll have to find somebody else then.
Hey, this guy. Hey, mate, how are you?
Hey, guys, hey, you wouldn't maybe help me out, could you? I'm trying to get to Tauranga.
Sorry, where?
To Tauranga.
Oh, you mean Tauranga? Yeah, it's up the island a bit. You're a bit of a long way away. Where are you from?
I'm just from up the Horowhenua.
Oh, right, the little Hey, how are you typing in Tauranga in your GPS there?
So I got here T-O-W, you know, like for towel, and R-A-N-G-H-E-R, you know, like as in a ringer.
Hey, try Tauranga, T-A-U.
T-A-U.
R-A-N.
R-A-N.
G-A.
G-A. That's it, yeah. Cheers, I'm bloody ages away.
Hey, mate, you can help us out.
Hey, come back.
How do you even get Tauranga from Tauranga, you know? It's laziness, disrespectful, and churlish.
Let's say that again.
Whoa. Hey, oh, this guy.
Hey, guys. How are ya? We're just wondering if you could help us.
The Māori Sidesteps. What's happening?
Hey, we're actually on our way to a gig, yeah. We're just a little bit lost. We're wondering if you could help us. Where are we going to get, bro?
Our instructions are telling us to get onto State Highway 1.
Oh, do you mean State Highway 1?
Oh, but every time I say it on my phone, it comes up with Norfere.
Do you mean nowhere? Where are you guys actually going?
Trishchurch.
Yeah, Trishchurch.
Sorry, where?
Trishchurch?
How do you spell it?
C-H-R-I-S-T-C-H-U-R-C-H. Trishchurch.
Trishchurch.
Oh, you mean Christchurch?
Oh. Cool. Hey, thanks, guys.
Bye.
See ya.
Wait till we get to the gig.
I don't even know if we're going to get there on time, but that's how we go.
How do you even get there from Christchurch?
I don't know.
Learn to pronounce English names better. Maoris, man. Me haere taua.
Ai.
That's all we have, Freshies, coming out here from LA. I'm a little sad that our time is up, but hey, we've got some more freshness coming at you next week.
I'm gonna keep it real with you.
Yo, what's up, Freshies? Next week you'll be hanging out with my main man, Isaac Kotu.
Down in the paint and then spins baseline.
And Ruben Tarangi.
Tarangi goes right down the lane. Goodness gracious. New Zealand, you got to get excited about this.
Keep it fresh.
Until next week, keep it fresh.
We are Samoan, people from the sun. We are Samoan, and our heritage lives on. Teach the world humanity and hospitality. We are Samoa, and God we trust in thee. We are Samoa, and God we trust in
Supporting local content so you can see more of New Zealand on air.